We are doing recording.
Oh, okay. What do we say on this one?
We got a cat. Hi, bye. We got a cat. Thanks, bye. Thanks for joining. Click to subscribe. Where are you going, Chloe? You don't want to be part of this video? No, guys, I don't want to be part of it. That's not my thing.
Hey guys, hi YouTube. So we have a little bit of a homestead update for you guys. We got a cat, as you can see from what Andre's holding here. Her name's Chloe. She's pretty friendly. She likes to play. In terms of why we got a cat, people might say, oh, you live on a homestead. Why do you need a cat? If you're looking at running your own homestead or moving out into the middle of nowhere, animals are going to be something you need to deal with. That includes the big animals and the small animals. So that includes mice and other types of rodents. A cat is obviously the easiest and most natural way of keeping those sorts of predators away. Since we moved out here, I think, we've been talking about getting a cat, but it just kind of materialized last week. So this week, today actually is her 7-day anniversary, her week anniversary. She's been here for a week. And some people say when cats move locations, they go and hide and you don't really see them for the first couple weeks. Not Chloe. She was really social and wasn't a huge fan of our dogs, but they're outside, so that's fine. Yeah. So she's pretty good. She's
a year and a half tabby cat. Mm-hmm. Like Kimberly said, she doesn't like the dogs, but she does like to frolic around the house when they're outside, and she comes when she's called. And yes, like Kimberly said, got to deal with the mice that are around, and because it's been mild, so you've seen a lot. I've seen a lot more activity outside. And with the warmer weather coming, they're just going to come out more, not just the mice, but all the rodents. So we're going to keep her mostly inside for the most part. That way she can keep the mice outside. And then once she knows that this is her house, she's biting, she's out. She's saying, peace, I'm out of this video.
That's enough camera time for her.
Yeah, that's it. That's all I billed out for today.
It's a weekend.
That's it. Double time. So we're going to keep her inside for the most part. That way she can keep the mice and all the other rodents on the outside. And once she gets to know that this is home, after a couple months, we're going to probably let her roam the property just to clean up if there's anything around the shop, which I actually think there is a couple things in there. And just to keep the perimeters clean of anything that may come into the house and cause mischief.
Yeah, yes, so, I'm not a fan.
We just want to do a quick little update that if you are in a homestead, that a cat would be a great thing to have. She is a year and a half, so she isn't a baby or a kitten where you have to actually train her and everything. So she's fully litter trained. Mm-hmm. English is not too well today, but so that was just a quick little tip we wanted to do. That if you do live on a homestead, you're gonna need something to do with deal with the rodents. It's not like we have a huge issue with them, but you do see them from time to time. Especially the way our house is built on a rock, so the floors do join up with actual rock, and so they could come in from underneath, and that's typically where we do see them, is in the basement. But again, it's only
not anymore.
Yeah, exactly. Very, very minor times that we do see them. So yes, if you do look at moving on to a homestead or anywhere out in the country, do look into getting a cat. They are actually very easy to take care of. They are kind of their own boss. They do their own thing. They're clean. They aren't very dependent. They're very independent animals. Mm-hmm. And and the best thing I like about having a cat around is that they are most active. Typically, not all cats, but most cats that I've been around are mostly active at night when the rodents are out, and usually when you're sleeping. So that's exactly what you want. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think that's all we have for you today.
Just a little update for you guys and some education along with it.
Absolutely. Yeah. Thanks for watching.
See you in the next one.